one to a game called Scene to Rap. This is for Greg and Wayne. They're going to make the scene, joined later by Ryan and Colin. They're going to be accompanied by Mixmaster Laura Hall. How about Mixmaster?
Alright, you ready?
Oh, zombies. Okay, let's hear the zombie rap.
What's up, baby? Finally, we on vacation. Now we with your mama. We got up on the plane. We came out here to the Bahamas. Oh, it's so nice. We're here in the sun. No one to bother us or to give chase. It doesn't even matter. Yours or my race. Just hang out here.